Hello and welcome back to our training course on how to create Facebook pages for businesses. In this video we're going to go over adding your timeline cover image. To do this you need to be in the main login area. Let's scroll down. You'll notice a little button right here that says add a cover. So what we're going to do is click on that button. It explains to you briefly in this little text box here that if you want to choose your cover photo, all you have to do is pick a unique photo to feature at the top of your page timeline. So we're going to click OK. And then we're going to upload a photo. The other option is to choose from photos you already have uploaded, but at this point in time, because we don't have one, we're going to upload one. In this case, I've got one right here that says Roofing Contractors Facebook cover. So let's open that. Give that a moment to reload, and voila. Now, if you're happy with the way this looks, you have to again imagine that this is what your customers are going to see, or your viewers, your potential customers. This is what they're going to see when they come to your page. If you like the way that looks, simply click Save Changes. Again, this is for demonstration purposes, but I will tell you that you do not want to use a strong call to action. In fact, the more subtle you get, the better. Now, this is the actual picture we show our roofing contractors as customers. So we're wanting them to mention, tell people mention you found us on Facebook or online when you call to save an extra 10%. And of course you want the customer to use their images. So again, this is just a demonstration, but let's say you're using a photo that you don't like and you want to change it. You can choose from your photos, you can upload another one, you can reposition, or if you absolutely don't like it, you can click remove. Now I will tell you that this can create a little bit of a hassle because most people design within specific parameters. For example, these images were created to fit exactly in there. Right here we have Facebook covers. You notice we're doing this for branding, so we have other things available. But these are exactly 851 wide by 315 tall. Now that's the number of pixels that you're going to use. So you have 851 pixels wide by 315 pixels tall. That's the size and dimension you want your cover image to be. I've heard other people in their training courses say that you want it to be a little wider or a little, little taller so that you can actually have a little bit of room to work with because they say they've had problems. I will tell you that I've never had a problem. If you do, either adjust the size of your image or have your designer adjust the size. It's really not that hard, and if you're adding just a little bit of pixels in height or width, it's not going to skew your image too badly or make things look all pixelated. Anyhow, before we go too deep into this, let's get back over here to the page. I'm trying to keep each video at or below a 5-minute mark here. So I want to go into the settings we have. Obviously, I'm not going to remove these. I can choose from photos if I have one. Here's what happens. It opens up your photos that you've uploaded. You can choose your albums if you need to. At this point in time, I only have one album, but there we go. It shows cover photos, profile pictures, recent photos. Now this is going to show all of them, and we're going to click there. And again, we're going to save changes. Next, you're going to see the option to move this around. You'll notice that there's a crosshair here. If your picture is bigger, I can't because my picture is dead on the exact settings. But you'll be able to move it from side to side if you need it to fit in. Let's just click to save.